Assalamualaikum. This is Asif from AUDIONIC, and in today's video I am going to unbox AUDIONIC OPERA 5 for you. So this is the box. The box is in basic quality, and these are handfrees and these are some earbuds. So this handfree comes in the price of around about 650. I will mention here. And as you can see, 4-in-1 function with selfie option, 100% tested, 3.5mm jack, built-in microphone, extra bass, high performance, Opera 5, and here same 3.5mm jack, built-in microphone, and here these are from Dany Technologies. Their many discs mean that the handfree can be used on your Samsung and iPhone. So let's unbox. Here from upper side I will open it, pull it out, and this is in the box. So here is the handfree. These are some earbuds. Okay. They have also attached earbuds. So let's talk about first about its size. Normal, and about its design. And its design is good, not so bad. Color is golden, and okay, from here they have done it on red, and here the design is a little bit different from the normal handfrees that we use. And here they have taped it. Let me open. Okay, so here also, okay, it is silver jack, normal jack. The quality, so the quality of wire is not too good and not too bad. It is in medium. It is plastic made, and here is the microphone, the Audionic branding here. So this is the branding of Audionic here, as you can see. So the upper wire, okay, the quality of the this quality is the handfree is totally made up of plastic, and the quality of wires are medium. I will rate the quality of wire 8.5, and design also 8.5. So I will test it because this is a unboxing and quick review video. So let me test, and then I will tell you what is the quality of sound, or I prefer you to buy this handfree in that price range or not. The voice that you are listening is from the mic of this handfree, and you can judge the voice, what is the voice quality, and it's on you that what is the quality of voice.